So that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to get to Kether, and you can get there in what? Sex magic. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's keep it rolling. Yes, sir. I know y'all following. I know. So that's the one: knowledge, wisdom, understanding. Right. Okay. Boom. So, oh man, this is it. This is it. This is it. There go another triangle. There go another triangle. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding. Right. The pyramids. Right. What do y'all think they were doing in these pyramids? They were having sex. Yeah, I'm gonna just tell y'all. They were having sex in the pyramids and bringing the fourth dimensional astral realm down to the third dimension. These niggas was they didn't have no TVs. They didn't have no iPhone and shit like that, right? They were literally watch in the fourth dimension in these spaceships. This is the pyramid is a spaceship. You feel me? This is it, right? And then the pyramids are also lined up with the stars. You feel me? So the stars is what? The universe. We're talking about one song, right? One song is what also what? The one. Okay, I'm going too deep. Hold on. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. I going too deep. I'm trying to help make sure everybody's following so we won't have to get, so I won't lose nobody. I'm telling you, this is gonna be the information that's gonna change your life because once we get into the act, y'all gonna be like, God damn, thank you, Dream. God damn.
Damn, just thank you. D-Ray don't got nothing
Oh
to
yeah,
do.
Andy Ray too.
Okay. Oh, okay.
You can't have the zero without the one. You are the one. We're one. We are one.
Yeah.
Still gonna give me some tonight.
It's so powerful, family, to understand
See
that
how
this
she went over the
pyramid.
question though? See how she went over the question?
I didn't go over the
Oh,
question.
okay. Oh,
It
yeah,
wasn't even a question,
I
silly.
might.
It wasn't even a question. You so silly. But yeah, so we see this 36 is the pyramid, is the triangle. Okay? And it's so freaking amazing to understand that these pyramids were portals, literally.
Yeah.
Okay? And using the power of their divine mind, using the power of these ancient Egyptians, people's consciousness and creative power, they would draw in from the cosmos what they wanted to see and what they wanted to create. And so, as we continue to go through the course, family, we're going to be teaching y'all how to do that same thing using your divine mind right now. Even if you don't have a pyramid, even if you don't have, what's them pyramids that people be making now, babe?
What you
How
mean?
they be making them copper pyramids and stuff like that. Like people literally make those. But even if you don't have that, you have the power and the ability to still create this portal and draw in what you desire to create and manifest using your mind and using the power of sex.
Right, right. And everybody should have one of these Oregon pyramids for sure. Like, you know,
Definitely.
because the Wi-Fi, this frequency is getting heavier and heavier. And we know that they did that with the corona stuff, right? They brought down the 5G and made this stuff heavier on your being, right? So now your wave is not, you're not able to be enlightened as much because they're putting this frequency, they're scrambling up your frequency basically. And that time when everybody was all of a sudden getting sick, they turned that shit all the way up, nigga. I'm telling you, they turned it up, that 5G stuff, and they have the ability to literally, you know, make people sick or put people. So it's important to have a healthy body also because this frequency uh is a motherfucker, man. So your energy has to be right, family. Listen to me. Your energy is the most vital thing you have. You feel me? You have to start looking at your energy and looking at this thing as your weapon. You feel me? Because if you're energized up and you're spiritually protected, right? Got your ancestors with you, got your deities with you, right? And you're ready for war, then nothing can eradicate, nothing can penetrate your being. You feel me? So everybody need to get an Oregon pyramid also. And they say the resin is comprised of 5 organic compounds and contains feminine traits. Sticky and receptive, it is an excellent insulator of electricity, a collector of the unseen. The container is the yin, feminine energy of the balance. So then also the yang, masculine energy of the balance. So that's fire. So we understand that this thing is heavier. This 36 keep on going. So remember, the 36 is the triangle, right? 36 is the triangle. And oh, there we go. There go your man, Jay-Z. Billionaire. Nah, 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 nah. The billionaire. Ho did. So the Zai Mudra, right? This mudra is something everybody should be practicing, right? Shout out to my bro God, brother Yosef, for bringing it back to the community, right? We should be practicing all these mudras, but this is a specific one that you should be practicing, fellas and females, of course. But you should be practicing this to raise up your energy. So it says Zai, the Zai Horus mudra, and it's also the Horus mudra, is the seal of the ring of the sun. Zai mudra is connecting our 12 principal meridians of energy with the meridians of the universe, the one song. Okay. Any light and sunlight is composed of tiny particles called photons. We're gonna get into photons. I'm gonna do a video on photons for the family soon. Just wait for it. Which were discovered by Albert Einstein, and these particles are entering our eyes every time we see the sun, the moon, a constellation, or a star in the night sky. All photons from the light can be billions of years old and carry a mystical energy we can harvest. With mantra Om in combination with the Zai and the sunlight and the thought of the sunlight, we have action, speech, and thought in harmony. So this is what you want to do, right? In the sun, outside, right? You want to go Om. Breathe in through your nose 4, breathe out, hold 4, breathe out. Right, and your point and it's pointing up, and that's gonna, as you're looking at the sun though,